Guys, today we have the very important video. I hurried up about the new bull market and now I consider that the bear market has not been finished yet and we will see the new dump, and today I will show you why. Hello my dear friends, it's Ivan making the crypto analysis updates for you to make you aware how to trade to maximize your profit. Before we get started, I want to remind you that nothing on this video can be used as a financial advice. Let's start on the 3-day time frame of our favorite crypto exchange Whitebit. You can use link into description to register on this exchange. Today I want to show you my new Elliott wave analysis. As you remember earlier, I considered that wave 4 of the global bear market has been ended right here, but today I understood that it was the very huge trick. And if you have read the book of Bill Williams, The Trading Chaos, you know that waves 4 usually are the longest wave in terms of time. And if we see at the length of this wave 4, anticipated wave 4 is just 21 bars, and if we compare it with the wave 2 was 22 bars, and of course it's appropriate, but I think that wave 4 should be much longer. Wave 4 could be the 70% of time of the entire Elliott wave cycle, and the minimal requirement of the wave 4 end is the crossover of the zero line on the awesome oscillator. I consider it right here that awesome oscillator retraced almost 90% to the zero line, and I suppose that it was the wave 4. Now I decided to reconsider this formation, and now I suppose that wave 4 is still intact, and this is wave 4, guys, in my opinion. We should consider the Elliott waves inside this wave 4 as the new Elliott wave cycle. Let's switch to the, for example, daily time frame to look in details on the waves inside this wave. Let's remove all this stuff, and what we have right here. Obviously now it was the wave A, and it was the wave B, guys. A, B. Look here, it's the very ugly structure of waves. Of course, it's not the impulsive wave. This is also the very ugly, the very ugly waves. We have only impulse right here. Let's remove it again. This was the impulse, and I told you multiple times. And now I understood that it was just the wave C inside this wave B of higher degree. And now we have the last wave to the upside in this wave 4. Which structure does this wave has? Let's consider this wave as an impulsive wave, because wave C usually the impulsive wave. It was the wave C, it was the impulsive wave, and now we are in wave C, it's also the impulsive one. It was the wave 1, wave 2, and now we are in wave 3. And if we measure the Fibonacci retracement, Fibonacci extension target for the wave 3, we can see that the price exactly reached the 1.618 Fibonacci extension level, and this is the natural level for the wave 3. This is wave 3 target, and now I expect the retracement pulled back to the downside to complete the wave 4 before the last bullish wave. And let's remove this Fibonacci to measure the potential target for the wave 4. If we apply the Fibonacci retracement to this impulse, we can see right now that the target area for the wave 4 should be between 0.38 and 0.5 Fibonacci level, and I suppose it could be at $19,300. It will be the nice entry point for the long trades. I suppose that we will see something like this now, and the final wave 5 after that. And what target could be for the wave 5? We have there very huge resistance right here. This is the order block. Let's make it transparent, and what we can see right here, the order block is located on the daily time frame, and the price has not touched the order block. Of course, here is just maybe $200 or $300, but the order block has not been filled, and it should be filled before the new crash. And now I suppose that after the correction we will see the pump after that to create some kind of double top with the second top a little bit higher than the first top. It will be wave 3 and wave 5, and we also should see the divergence on the awesome oscillator. And let's measure the entire wave cycle, and we can see now that 1 day time frame, it's not appropriate for the trading charts approach. And let's switch to the 12 hours, and now we can see that it's appropriate for our analysis. And on the 12 hours we should see the zero line crossover. It will be the Elliott wave 4 end minimal requirement, and only after that we should see the new pump, which in my opinion will be ended right here at this top, approximately $22,300. Now I have the sell short limit order right here. As you know, I entered short position even on $17,100, and now I'm in huge loss. I have maybe 6% of my deposit in this position, and here I am going to double my position, because I am sure that bear market have not been ended, and we will see the new dump. Well guys, this is my new Elliott wave analysis. I hope you enjoy this video. Please support me with your like and comment. Thank you so much, good luck and goodbye.